Hey guys,
Hey.
you wanna know why we started like that? Because we're talking about duck hunting. And that was our duck faces. It's pretty hot. Duck hunting, it's not our thing. It came up in Kiara's newsfeed.
On Facebook.
Yeah, most people know about that. It's pretty much, you know how girls always post like, and you're like, do I look hot? You look like a duck. Yeah. Like, I admit I've done it in a few photos, but that's because I don't like smiling, because I have shit smile.
Everyone does it.
Anyways, so when you see a girl's picture, or even if a guy does it,
Which is pretty rare, but
But,
there's
you
still
know.
people.
or you comment, you don't say anything, you don't say, oh, that's pretty, you look so pretty, that's beautiful, whatever you want to say normally. You say,
Bang.
bang.
In capital
Just-
letters.
Yeah,
Bang.
Just bang. Just say bang, because you've shot them down. You just shot them down. My baby shot me down. You get it? Like, so you're duck hunting and you shoot them and you like bang and then they go because you just shot them down because you just shot them down. Yeah? Get it?
She talks way too much.
Talk. I need to find this song.
Of course you do.
Wait, I've got a song for you.
Regarding
Shit.
ducks.
I think this is the one.
Just click it.
There's too many remixes. Yeah, turn it up. You'll understand what we mean. Bang, bang.
I was 5 and he was 6. We rode on horses made of sticks. He wore black and I wore white. He would always win the fight. Bang, bang. He shot me down. Bang, bang. I hit the ground.
Bang.
Bang, bang.
That's all.
That awful sound. Bang, bang. My baby shot
Can I see
me
it?
down.
Can you see it?
This is a video clip. It's on YouTube, yeah? We'll put the link below. Yeah.
It's from Kill Bill. But yeah, bang. That's all you gotta say. Start this shit. Get it going. We didn't start it though. Don't start this shit. We didn't start it. We're just spreading it because it's a good idea. No, you want to see some duck faces? So you get those ones that are like, I look hot. Nah. No, you don't look hot. Love. No. Or they like stick their tits out like, do I look hot? No, they're not looking at your duck flips. They're looking at your tits. Come on, guys. This is.
And half the time they're not even tits.
They're like
Fat.
meant to be here. They're just down here. And then, what other duck faces? It's like,
They got the epic creases.
I can't even do that.
Epic creases. Usually they're
I
worse.
can't even get creases.
Yeah, well, you're younger than me, alright?
Song finished.
I frown a lot.
Yeah, I can't get creases.
It's
Yeah.
a struggle.
Bang. See a duck face in a picture? Bang.
Bang.
Bang that shit.
Bang. Bang.
Alright.
Bye.
See you.